Hello students, how are you? Are you fine? As I am. Now, this is the second algebraic operation in binary numbers, and that is subtraction. So, subtraction of binary number is the main topic of this video, and initially we will understand the procedure of doing so. That means I want to say algorithm this, and that is very simple. If you subtract 0 from 0, it gives us 0. If you subtract 0 from 1, it gives us 1, as in the decimal system. If you subtract 1 from 1, it gives us 0, as in the decimal system. And it differs if 1 is subtracted from 0. Okay, then you cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, as in this one. If 9 is subtracted from 7 in the decimal system, then you cannot subtract 9 from this 7. And suppose that you are having any number here like 6, then you take carry to this 7. So 1 is carried, but this one is equivalent to 10, so it became 17. So now you subtract 9 from this 17 and write here 8. And since 1 is taken as a carry, so it is now simplified. So write here 5. So the answer is 58. The same process is here also. You cannot subtract 1, that is the bigger number, from 0. So you should take a carry. Suppose that here 1, left to this 0 is 1. Then you take carry from this 1, and carry is taken as 1, but this 1 is equivalent to this times 2. In binary system, it is equivalent to 2. In decimal system, this 1 is equivalent to 10. So, however, it has already given to you 1, but that is equivalent to 10 for this place. So, the place value of that one is 10. But when we take here 1 as carry, then at this place, that one had its positional value, place value 2. So now you have 2. So subtract this one from this 2. So it will be equal to simply 1. Okay. Now you will ask a question, sir, how can you think about this situation that here we are having 2 as a number? No, never think like that. Actually, when we take a digit here as 1, so this one and this one has the different meanings, and the decimal equivalent for that one is for this place is 2. So why we think that here we are having 2, and so we write 1, and for this place we write 0. So the answer became 0 1. But mind it, my dear student, mind it, there is no digit like 2 in binary number. So simply we can take it as an algorithm that whenever 1 is subtracted from 0, we should write 1, and we should subtract 1 from its the previous digit, that is the left digit, as the borrowing digit. तो इसमें कुछ नहीं, बस सब कुछ वही है, बस केवल आप अपने दिमाग में डेसिमल सिस्टम का थोड़ा सा हेल्प ले लो यहाँ पर, तो ये काम बड़ा आसान है. अदरवाइज आप इसको समझ सकते हो कि दिस इज द एल्गोरिथम, दिस इज द प्रोसीजर. व्हेन 1 is subtracted from 0, you are supposed to write here 1, and you to think as that 1 is taken as borrow from the left digit of this 0, and so this is taken as the algorithm in the binary system. But if you want to make it a very easy, you just feel that this one is equivalent to 2, so you subtract to this one from 2 and write here 1. Okay, and the carried part will be subtracted from this digit. And now with the help of an example, I make it clear. And after seeing this example. I hope you will solve the next question before me. This is the example here. 1110. These 4-digit binary number is written here, and here 3-digit binary number is written. I have written in this way. So if subtraction is supposed to be done, subtract this one from this 0. No, you cannot do that one. You just think that 1 is carried here. So this one will be equivalent to 2 in the decimal system, and that 2, whenever 1 is subtracted from that 2, it will give us 1. And here it became 0. After giving a digit to this place, it became 0. Now the same situation we are facing here. 0, 1. So 1 is to be subtracted from 0 here. So we cannot do that one. So again it will take a carry from this. So just you feel that it became now 2. 0, it was earlier 0 and it took 1 as carry, and I told you 1 is equivalent to 2, equivalent to 2 in the decimal system. You just feel that 2 is here, 2 is here, and if 2 is here, then you subtract from that 2 to this one and write here 1. And here it is only 0 because it has already taken its 1 to this place, and now it is 0. Again you cannot subtract 1 from 0, so just feel as it will take carry from the left digit, and it will become equivalent to 2 in the decimal system, and subtract this one from this 2, right here 1. And now at this place we are having simply 0, so you may write here 0, or you may do not write anything. First of all, we should check the answer. 1110 is equivalent to, in the decimal system, 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0, and so it gives us 8 plus 4 plus 2, that is equal to 14. And now what this 111 gives us, what this 11 gives us, 111 in the binary system, it is equivalent to, in the decimal system, as 1 into 2 to the power 2, this is the third digit, plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1. So it gives 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So you subtracted 7 from 14, and the answer should be 7. That is written here. 111, that was earlier here written, so it is equal to 7. So the answer is correct. So now you solve this question and pause the video and solve it. Okay, I'm waiting. Oh, now you solve this question and check this one from here. 1011001. This is the first number, and this is of 5 digit only. So right here in this way, as you write in the decimal system, 11101, and now we want to subtract. So first subtract this one from this. So right here 0, no problem here. But now we are to subtract 1. We are to subtract 1 from 0. So take carry from this. Feel that here you are having 2. So 2 plus 1 as 1, and here nothing was earlier. So actually you have taken 1 from here. Only after that this 0 was taken 1 from this left digit. So this 1 became here 2, and this 2, now this 2 have has already given 1 to this place and having simply 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here, as I told you, only we have 0. So right here 0, 1, 1. So after subtraction it is 0, 0 and 1. Again I think it should be made clear. So again I am writing here 11001, and 1 1 1 0 1. We want to subtract this one from this. We'll write here 0, but mind it, we are having here 0, and this 0 cannot take carry from this 0. So first of all, this will take carry from here as 1, and that will be equivalent to 2, and that 2 will give us 1 as carry to this place, and that will become 2. And now feel that if this 2 gives 1 as carry to this, now it became 1. So here we will feel that here we are having 2, here we are having 1. So 2 minus 1, it gives us 1, and here we are having this one. So 1 is to be subtracted from this one, so it will give us 0, and this became, after giving the carry, became 0. So here we are feeling that there is 0, so 0 is to be subtracted from this 0, will give us 0, and now 1, this one is to be subtracted from this one, it will give us 0, and now 0 1. This is the answer of this question. This is very simple approach, and hopefully your answer is same as this. Again, you solve this question, you have already known about the procedure, so pause the video and solve this one. I am writing here 1 1 1 1 1 3 3 6 digits, so here 1, and we want to subtract. Okay, so when 1 is subtracted from this one, it gives us 0, but when we think about this 0, 1 cannot be subtracted from this 0, so it will give carry to this, and that carry will be equivalent to 2, so that after subtraction will become 1, and this at this place we will have 0. So 0, so if 1 is subtracted from 0, 1 is supposed to be subtracted from 0, we cannot do that one, we cannot do that. For that purpose we need to have some carry, but here in the left it is already having 0, so it will not give any carry to this number, so it will need a carry from this. Again, this 0 has nothing to give as carry, so it will need carry from this, so it will take 1 as carry, and that will be equivalent to 2. So we will feel that here we are having 2, here we are having 2. That is not true, we don't have 2 here, but we feel that after taking carry, it is having 2, and now from that 2 it will give to 1 to this. Again, this one will be equivalent to, this will be equivalent to 2 for this place, and now it is able to give something to this place, something to this place minded, we are having 0, so it will again give to this place a 1 as carry. So this one will be equivalent to, again, here we were having 0, mind it, recall it, here we are having 0 because it has already given carry to this one and became 0. So it is taking now 1 from this, that was equivalent to 2. So after giving this 1 to this place, it became 1, it became 1. Okay, so here it is 2, and now we are to subtract 1 from that 2, so it gives us 1, and here already I told you that we are having 1. After giving 1 to this place is having 1, and so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here again we are having 1, mind it, primarily it took 1 as carry and became 2, and then it gave 1 to this one as carry, and it is having simply 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, but this time this one, the very good fellow, it is having now 0, it is having now 0. So now it needs something to be taken from left hand side. Earlier it has given to to 1 to the right hand digit, so now it needs a carry from this. Again it will give 1 to this. As the similar happening, it will be like 2 for this place, so 2 minus 1 1, and here nothing is, so you may write here nothing, or you may write 0. Okay, 0 has no significance in the leftmost place, so you cannot need to write here. Okay, so the answer of this question is this. Okay, hopefully your answer is the same as this one. And in the next session we will have a discussion of multiplication of two binary numbers.